Kerala was an incredible experience, and in this episode, we cover my last few days in God's own country. Come, join me. Wow. When I was coming out to the backwaters, I was told that if you're coming to Coconut Lagoon and if you are not there in the hotel at 4:30, it's a waste of time because at 4:30 to about 5:30, it's Amma time. And what is Amma time? Amma is a traditional housewife whose passion and love is to feed people. Okay, and she's here on a little canoe with this lovely contraption where in a double boiler she's got her milk. She makes the most amazing masala chai, beautiful taste of cinnamon and elaichi in this. Of course, this is no sugar, and she's got a little some naan katais, and she's got almost like a plantain or a banana ka bonda over there in there. Thank you. It's very close to, what is the other one called there? Mangalore bun. You know Mangalore bun?
Right.
Yeah, you know Mangalore bun? You don't know Mangalore bun? Oh my God, chef, you have to him. This is so good, huh? This is one of the equivalent to chai pakoda style. It's not really too sweet. It's beautiful. It's got a great texture. And I think the combo of the bonda and the chai is the complete winner. Finally, after a beautiful ride, we are here into this beautiful kitchen, and I'm with Chef Jerry here, who's actually given me a recipe which he makes here. Now, he's given me the recipe, and I'm going to cook test it, and then we're going to find out how it tastes. So it's called Konju.
Chuttada.
Konju is the jumbo prawns from the lake, and
Chuttada.
Chuttada means a la plancha on the grill.
Yes.
So basically we are doing grilled prawns the way Jerry does it. So we have these lovely jumbo prawns here. So we've left the head and the tail on. We're going to marinate this first, and then we are going to skewer them, and very simple on the grill. Now, they believe in one philosophy here is that keep it simple and make it nice. That's exactly what we do. Okay. Oh, chef, this is one fish which we saw even in the market today.
Yes.
And I know it's from the backwaters. It's called the varal.
Varal.
And also known as the
Snake-headed fish.
The snakehead fish is a delicious fish. It stews really well. Also, it's a damn good fish for frying, I think.
Yes.
It's got a really nice texture. And what I came to know that the fish which live in sweet water, they are really good for frying.
Yes.
Okay, because of the
Frying
scientific way, and also because of the water content, etc. I think this makes a damn good thing. So, chef, now the name of the dish, sometimes in menus you get confused because especially in Kerala, all the names of the dishes are so long. Okay, so how would you call this dish on your menu?
It's varal chatti mean curry.
Okay, so varal is the name of the fish. Chatti is the pot in which we are cooking the fish.
Yes.
And meen means fish.
And the curry.
And curry means curry. So that's how it's constructed. Oh yes, oh yeah. The whole sizzling action of the tadka, the moment it hits the gravy or the curry, wow, look at that. You know what, I've always cooked duck. Either it's in the French style or it's the Italian style. But I've actually first time cooking a duck which is from India, especially from the Syrian community in Kerala, which is given to me by a very dear friend, a colleague chef, Chef Jerry from the Coconut Lagoon here, where I'm cooking at this beautiful place. I've got the backwaters, I've got a lovely urli in which I'm cooking, I've got the most amazing, greatest quality duck right here. Yes, the duck is right here. And we've got some beautiful minimum spices.
Yes. Okay, like
I have just made your curry, chef, and I'm waiting for you to come and make our beautiful, my favorite, putu.
putu. Yes.
Steamed rice cakes. So, chef, exactly now, I have seen even in Kochi, once I went there, they have this on the street, they are making these.
Putu.
Correct?
Yes.
So is putu always eaten for breakfast or what is it?
Earlier it was generally a breakfast dish, but
Okay.
nowadays it's even the evenings and
Oh,
all
really?
the people started eating.
And it's
it.
very healthy.
Yeah.
I mean, you're using
Yeah,
red
we are using a special rice called chamba rice.
chamba rice,
It's
okay?
it's a brown rice.
Beautiful.
It's a small grain rice.
And is it parboiled?
Yes, it's a parboiled,
Parboiled brown rice powder. Okay. Chamba.
Chamba.
Chamba, yaad rakhna. Chamba. Okay. Let's go, chef. Oh, so this is the texture
Yeah,
we are
that's the
looking
texture,
for.
yeah.
Oh, nice. Like wet sand.
Semi-wet.
Wet
Yeah.
sand.
Hi, chef.
Oh God, chef! My
How-
God,
wanna
my
enjoy
favorite
this?
chef. Thank you so much.
We'll have the putu.
Yeah, beautiful. Wow! Now look at that, chef. This is so good. No, most of the time when we eat it, it's like white because it's made with
Yeah, this is
white rice.
This is that separate rice.
Wow, lovely. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. And then इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे हमारी duck की curry. Beautiful duck. Nice. Nice piece of duck. Oh God, I love the texture of this. I mean, it's so good. My God. Perfectly steamed. Guys, I mean, this is something which has to be cooked in everyone's homes. It's healthy, it's steamed. Chamba rice, which we are using here, is not like a white, fully polished rice. It's got a lot of fiber besides its starch. And chef, this Syrian duck curry. Ma kasam, chef. Wow. I mean, this is one of my most soul comforting meals I've had in a long time. You know, it's so much simplicity and it's so high on flavors. Unbelievable, guys. I hope you're enjoying Pathshala. After the most delicious duck curry and freshly prepared putu, we are off for a good night's sleep as we come to the end of 3 wonderful days in Kerala and the last day of Pathshala season 2. Bye, take care. Bye. So guys, I mean, all good things do come to an end, but you know what? Not a permanent end because I know I'm going to be coming back. That's the scene, buddy. Ah, beautiful. This is a good size. This is good enough for 1 kilo. 1 kilo?
1 kilo alla. 2.
2 kilos. See this? What do you think? What do they have? To put the food or for cooking?
Cook ചെയ്ത് serving.
Serving. So we'll take 2. Then take 1 big and 1 small. This one, yeah.
ഇത് വേറെ തരം. ഇത് നല്ലല്ല.
Huh?
Damage.
Damage, okay. Sorted, guys. Okay. So, I'm really happy to be here. You know, as a chef, I love collecting things, and every time when I go, I pick up something which is very ethnic, which is real, and I fell completely in love with how they cook all their beautiful mappas, all their curries in these lovely brass pots, which is called urali. And here, back to my studio soon. How are you? Wow, all kappa, no? All kappa. So this is very high in starch, but it's a good starch. Now, a lot of people don't know your sabudana or sagu is actually made from tapioca. This is ground into flour and it's become a very, very important part in gluten-free cooking all over the world. And with the tapioca juice, okay, after it's juiced out, the starch is dried and made into sagu, into balls. So your sabudana, guys, actually comes from here. Did you know that? If you found this information really valuable, do like it, do share it, and do subscribe to your favorite chef, Vicky Ratnani. Welcome to Pathshala, Kerala. क्या हाल है?
बस बढ़िया सर, आप
बस ज़रूर क्यों नहीं? Thank you. Not bad. People still remember me, yeah? So this is where we had come last. This is synagogue, Avatar Art, look at our trippy. Oh, 2004, this is the largest urli. Huh? The largest urli ever made.
And my final stop in Kerala is to pick up some local produce and spices. Come, let's explore.
So you can just take me through the qualities of cardamom.
Cardamom,
the
yeah.
8mm is the best, no?
Yeah, we have a 8mm bold as well as we do have the 7mm. We do have a mixed quality as well.
Okay.
Nothing that we do suggest, but the medicinal values will be a little more
Correct.
higher for the
Okay.
mixed quality.
I think I'm going to go for the 8mm.
These ones, yeah, it's
Yeah.
a perfect choice, I would say.
Yeah.
Mostly for chefs, cooks, mostly they into the 8mm ones only. And next we do have the cardamom seeds as well. So basically whatever you see inside this, we just repacking it into the seeds. Again, this will be slightly more expensive
But this is from the green cardamom.
from the green cardamom.
And this is teli cherry?
Yes.
Teli cherry pepper.
We have a couple of varieties as well. This is mostly from the local grown.
Okay.
We procure it directly from the farmers. This is known as the bold black peppers. The oil content of these ones will be a little more superior when compared to the other ones. We do other ones. This is nutmeg for you.
Yeah.
This comes with the shell.
Yeah.
We do have ones without the shell as well.
Okay.
You should be able to see the set. These ones are really good. You can crack it open as well.
Yeah.
Whatever the cell you see, this is the seed. This is
Yeah, I know
nutmeg
this
for
is
you.
what.
And with the same, this is the flower, nut maize.
Yeah, that's
this comes
the
on top
outside.
of it.
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Javitri.
Javitri. Yeah. You know the local names as well.
Yeah, of course.
And with the same, this is another different variety of the nut maize we're having. Slightly different shade.
But what is this looks more red, yeah?
This is little more fresher.
Okay.
The more it stays, it
Correct.
kind of turns
Correct.
into yellow.
Correct.
That's it.
And this one here.
That is whole spice for you. but
Oh,
that's not-
allspice. Yeah. I know we use this.
But we don't have it. It's not a locally grown spice.
I know it's from
North, basically.
Same one, yeah.
And I do have one more item to show you.
Come.
That would be the normal Kerala grown cloves. These are the ones.
Yeah.
We do have ones from Madagascar as well. This is from Madagascar. This is from
Wow,
Madagascar.
this
Yeah.
is very good.
Very pungent smell, yeah.
Beautiful. And this is your.
This is a masala mix. This is something which are in house. We make it in house.
And you can even grind this into a powder, no?
Yeah.
Huh?
And if you can pack it into an airtight container, it would easily last for another 6 months or so. And we do have, and I was talking about dry ginger, right?
Yeah.
This is another Kerala.
It's from Kerala only, yeah?
It's from Kerala as well.
Oh, you could use this also, yeah?
Yeah, black lemon.
Lemon.
I don't know what is locally known.
Lumi.
Lumi, yeah.
Lumi, yeah. Lumi is because I used to buy these in Dubai. So this is, guys, this is one of my favorite spices I use. You must have seen in the lal mas we've used this in the recipe.
It's again widely used in, I would
In,
say,
Middle East.
mandi.
In Mandi.
In Arab, yeah, Arab countries. It's much-
Thank you, man. That's
No worries,
all we
man.
got.
All good, yeah. Is there
so-
something you would like to pick up or?
Yeah, we want to buy also. How much
worries.
you want? How much?
And this concludes Pathshala, Kerala, where we visited some of the most beautiful places and learnt about traditional cuisine along with their traditional cooking techniques. If you would like to see more of Pathshala, do comment and let us know your next destination. Until then, it's me, your favorite chef, Vicky Ratnani, signing off. Shabak Khair.